advised, the cabin lights will remain on for the duration of the flight. We will now prepare for takeoff. Thank you for flying you and I versus all airlines, and stay tuned for further in-flight announcements.
Here at United, with all airlines, customer satisfaction comes first. Each member of our flight crew is highly qualified.
Our teamwork is legendary. Our professionalism is unmatched. And our customer service is second to none. That's why UNI versus all airlines continues to soar high above the competition. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to take a moment to welcome our first-time flyers. Here at UNI versus all airlines, our motto is simple: quality over quantity. And when it comes to leadership, we like the path for others to follow.
Attention all passengers. We've reached our cruising altitude. We are midway to our destination, Garland, Texas, USA. Please consider sharing the armrest, washing your hands, and wearing face masks to prevent the spread of the Rona, because frankly, ain't nobody got time for that. Thank you for flying UNI versus all airlines, where we strive to Attention passengers. We see the approaching some turbulence. We ask that those in the cabin return to their seats, fasten their seatbelts, and prepare for our descent.